Hello and welcome everybody, Grande here, and today I'm going to show you how you can lock a folder with password in Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. Just follow my steps. But before we continue, please guys subscribe to my channel, it means a lot for me. Let's continue. Create a new folder and create a folder called Locker. Then I will create a text document and I will tell you exactly what to write here. I will leave you the script in the comments, so all you have to do is you have to paste it and save it as locker.bat and make sure to select as all files. And after that, go where you can see password or type Ctrl plus F and find password, and here type whatever the password do you want, and after that just hit save. Now let's lock this folder. Hit, and now the folder is disappeared, as you can see, so nobody can open it. It will ask for password. Let's try a wrong password. It will not open. Let's see with correct password. As you can see, is working perfectly.